Welcome to Animal World GeoFlix channel. This channel provides animal facts information. This episode will share about scorpion facts. Check it out. Talking about scorpions' habitat, most scorpions prefer arid climates, but they also can survive in temperatures ranging from sub-freezing to blazing heat. They can live in tropical rainforests, grasslands, and deserts. Scorpions are not insects. They are arachnids, a group of invertebrate animals that includes spiders, ticks, and mites. Practically, all arachnids have 8 legs, whereas insects typically have 6. However, scorpions are ancient creatures. Based on fossils and dating records, scorpions have been roaming the planet for hundreds of millions of years. They have been existed since the dinosaurs era. In addition, scorpions are dangerous animals. Few can kill human. Although there have been almost 2,500 species of scorpions discovered, only around 25 have venom lethal enough to kill an adult human. Besides that, there are around 1.5 million people stung by scorpions every year. Fortunately, the numbers of deaths are low, with around 2,600 deaths each year. Mexico is one of the most affected countries with 300,000 stings and 300 deaths every year. Scorpions can survive due to their metabolic strategies. Metabolic strategies help them cope when food sources are limited. When food is scarce, certain species slow their metabolisms down. However, some scorpions communicate by rubbing their legs together. Similar to crickets, scorpions can rub parts of their body together to make sounds. These sounds are often employed as a warning to other scorpions. In addition, some save their venom only for certain occasions. Most scorpions will save their venom and avoid using their stingers unless they feel threatened or if they need to take down prey. Scorpions' prey are paralyzed and emulsified prior to being consumed. They inject their prey with enzymes that dissolve them from the inside out. Once the prey's insides have been liquefied, the scorpion will eagerly slurp them up. Birds or other predators can be specialized in hunting scorpions. Birds or meerkats are not their only predators, though. Scorpions will also be targeted by frogs, lizards, mice, bats, and snakes. Mostly, they have immune to their venom. However, female scorpions transport their young on their back. This is for protection, while their exoskeletons harden and they mature. Only when their exoskeleton has hard-ended will they leave their mother and be able to catch prey. Besides that, most scorpion species are nocturnal. Mostly, they are nocturnal and sleep during the day in burrows, rock cracks, and tree bark. Then, how about scorpions' lifespan? Yes, scorpions can live for 3 to 25 years. Some species are speedy in their development, taking just 6 months to reach full maturity. Thank you for watching this episode.